The Little Red Hen by Michael Ramirez. A little red hen found a bag of corn. "I will take it home and make muffins," she said. The little red hen asked the duck, "Will you please help me lift my bag of corn?" The duck said, "No." She asked the turkey, "Will you please help me lift my bag of corn?" The turkey said, "No." She asked the goose, "Will you please help me lift my bag of corn?" The goose said, "No." "Then I will lift it myself," said the little red hen. The little red hen tried to make muffins. "I will ask for help," she said. The little red hen asked the duck, "Will you please help me make muffins?" The duck said, "No." She asked the turkey, "Will you please help me make muffins?" The turkey said, "No." She asked the goose, "Will you please help me make muffins?" The goose said, "No." "Then I will make them myself," said the little red hen. The duck, the turkey, and the goose went to the little red hen's house. "The muffins smell yummy," they said. "Can we help you eat them?" "No," said the little red hen. "You did not help me lift the bag. You did not help me make the muffins. So I will not share my muffins with you." The end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like.